Hello my little darklings, welcome again to my channel, Offbeat Vegan Beauty and Life. Tonight I'm going to be unboxing the premium and the deluxe Christmas mystery boxes from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I finally got these in the mail. They were sitting there, they had to pay for postage, the shipping was supposed to be free, and I'm not sure why I had to pay for postage, so I sent them a customer service. I sent their customer service an email and to see why, and I'm waiting for an answer back. It took forever for these to come. They came all in one order together. I got the new highlighter too, and some of the liquid lips from their anniversary, and I got the Onyx Ice because it shattered before the highlighter. So I'm so excited to finally open these. I've been waiting forever. So I'm going to open the premium one first. I haven't just opened the eggs here, the tape, and I'm ready. Let's go look inside. Yay! We got the stickers. There's all sorts of drama over the stickers and the mini box. Everybody was really sad because this is not a cosmetic item, but I'm so happy. I didn't know it would be in the premium box too. Yay! These are really cool. Such a great artist. Awesome. I might stick them on my laptop. Don't know where I'll put them. Some green wrapping paper. Oh my gosh! Is this the Blue Blood palette? Oh my gosh! It is! I already have one. I have an extra Blue Blood palette. Wow! Ooh, this is cool. I love this palette. Yay! So beautiful. Write on the comments below, should I do a giveaway? What do you think? And there's a liquid highlighter, liquid frost in here, frozen peach. I'm not a fan of these. I don't like the pump. It's really annoying to get the product out, but it has really good shimmer and glitter and everything. I don't have frozen peach. I have a couple of the other ones. I have the blue one. I'm excited the Blue Blood palette was in here. Yay! Cool. Awesome. And there's also Coral Fixation. I think that's a new one. Or was it from the summer collection? I don't have this. Cool. I think it's from the summer one. I wasn't like too big of a fan on their summer colors. Oh, it's like an orange wool coral, so. Ooh, it's pretty. Cool. And this one. Oh, it's the special mystery, like Christmas one. Has like a little stocking with a question mark on here. What's it called? It's just a mystery one. It's like, oh, it's like a red glittery. It's kind of like poinsettia. Yeah, it looks a lot like poinsettia, but a little bit darker. Wow, that's awesome. I love these. So that's what's in the premium box. Cool. Oh my gosh, the Blue Blood palette. I already have one. Maybe I'll give it to a friend. I don't know. We'll have to see what I do with the Blue Blood. Just write in the comments if you want me to do a giveaway. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe. If you find my stuff helpful and engaging, just let me know. So we're gonna open the big one now, the deluxe box. Yay! I love the print. Awesome. Oh wow! It's a sweater. It's a sweatshirt. Oh, and it's purple too. Yay. This is pretty. How did they know I like purple? It's got the stars on the side here. The star logo. Jeffree Star Premium Cosmetics 5-year anniversary. Yay! Awesome! I love it. So happy I got the purple one. I don't know if they have the different colors in each one. And it's my size, medium, like I asked for. It's really thick, really good quality. It's soft. Yay! What else? Oh, it's another thing from the summer collection. Thirsty. I'll definitely be doing the giveaway. So I'm definitely giving away the Thirsty palettes. I have this one already. I'm not a big fan of it, but it is fun, like, to play with and stuff. And has a lot of pretty colors. Like, there's a protector over it. I use this once in a while, so I'll be giving away this Thirsty palette. So write in the comments below your favorite Jeffree Star product, and I'm gonna pick a random comment and through the comment generator. So whoever wins will get the Thirsty palette. Yay! And open to US residents only. I'm poor, I can't afford international shipping, I'm sorry. That's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, I got two. There's two of these. Yay. I'm gonna throw this in too for the winner of the Thirsty palette. We'll get the stickers too. And I have the Supreme Frost, which is a candy apple drip. I have this one already. So I'm gonna do a giveaway for this on another video, because it's gonna get too confusing if I do two giveaways in one. Yeah, I have this one already. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a bummer. Stuff I already have. But that's kind of what you get when you get a mystery box. And then there's another Lippy Soft Serve. It's a pretty nude color. Put this over here. Oh, that's really nice. It's kind of peachy. That's pretty. I like this one. It's kind of like Gemini. Yay. Yay. Oh my gosh, candy cane straw. This is perfect when I'm going out over the holidays to the club. I always like bring a straw with me. Yay. Oh my god, this is super awesome. I am so happy about that. Yay. There's another liquid lip here, First Class. That's the gold one, I think, from this collection. I was not a fan of it. Like, I'm gonna give this one away too. I'm not like a fan of gold lipstick, so the candy apple drip and the gold one will be in a future video giveaway. And more paper. When I ordered something else, like the holiday lippy, it came in one piece of the Christmas wrapping paper. So it was really cute with little stockings and stuff. Here's the Peppermint Frost highlighter. This is the last thing. People are selling them like for crazy amounts of money on eBay. Oh my gosh. Insane. I'm gonna be keeping this one for me. Oh, it's pretty. It's really pretty. The sparkles. Ugly sweater here. The lighting, sorry. Here you can see it now. The ugly sweater color is pretty. Little speckles. It's just an overspray. The pink comes right off. Put it over here. That's really pretty. It's like shimmery, like rose gold color. And igloo gold. Kind of a darker over here. More of a coppery, bronzy, like nude color. I'm trying to get it to show up with the highlight. Camera's too bright. And chocolate ice, that'd be a cool bronzer. Has like little speckles in it. Wow, this is awesome. I never disappointed with his mystery boxes. They're awesome. Yay, I'm super happy with everything. I need a tissue. I'll be right back. I'm back. I washed off the swatches. The liquid lipsticks kind of stained a little bit, like the Soft Serve and the Coral Fixation and the Mystery Stocking one. They're all kind of stained. So just keep that in mind when you buy these. Like, they'll probably stain your lips a bit. That's kind of typical with Jeffree Star lipsticks. And so let's recap. What did we get? I got the Blue Blood palette. I'm thinking about giving it away, or I'm not sure what I'll do with it. Got 2 of these stickers. I'm going to be giving one of these away with the Thirsty palette. So you know what to do in the comments below. I told you earlier in the video. The Candy Apple Drip, that'll be a future giveaway. And I've got the Liquid Frost. I'm really happy about that. The 3 lippies. I'm really happy with everything overall. I love the straw and the Peppermint Frost. Oh my gosh, I'm really happy about that. And the sweatshirt, I'm really excited to wear this. I love purple, it's my favorite color. Yay, nice and cozy and really good quality and soft. So I'm really happy with everything. I hope everyone got a chance to get one of these or could find them on eBay or I don't know. So I hope you liked this video. Please like, please share, please comment and subscribe if you like my content, and I hope you have a great evening or wherever you are, and have a happy holidays. I'll see you next time. Bye, my little darklings. Bye. Love you.